We didn't find anybody wearing mask over there. Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you like the video and click on the bell icon to get the notification. So we are on the way to Goa. It's going to be a 4-day trip.
All my trips used to be well planned, but this time we didn't want to plan it well. Moreover, we were confident we can manage anything being in India. It was the first time we were traveling by train during the COVID time. I thought they maintained the train really well. We booked the train ticket from Thrissur to Madgaon in Goa. That's where people used to book the train ticket if you go to Goa. Then we started searching which is the nearest place to Baga Beach because we have booked the accommodation in Baga Beach. Pradeep by mistake searched the distance between Kudal in Goa and Baga rather than Kudal station in Maharashtra. Anyway, somehow we got down in Kudal station in Maharashtra and only the station master as well as 3 dogs were available. Paid fine because TT came in between and boarded the train to Tivim. After waiting for some time in Kudal station, we called a prepaid taxi to go to our hotel near Baga Beach. The accommodation was probably 200 meters from the Baga Beach. Baga is a famous beach destination in North Goa, and we heard that only the nightlife activities are happening in Baga Beach because of COVID restriction. That's the reason why we took the accommodation near the Baga Beach.
So this is Baga Beach.
All the pubs, bars and restaurants are making their arrangements for the nightlife parties. Lot of water activities were also going on. Lifeguards on duty announces around late evening to stay away from the beach. It was a beautiful sunset view from the Baga Beach.
It's sun setting in Baga Beach. As you can see behind me, they are making it ready for the night parties.
Goa is India's one of the most happening party places, with clubs and lounges at every nook and corner of the beach destination.
So if you want to sit there, they charge 50 rupees per chair, and if you order beer, which costs you Budweiser, the big one 200 and the smaller one 100, then you can sit for free. Look at the evening ambience over there.
It was not so crowded, but the huge setback for us is there were not enough foreigners in Goa at that time. But we can imagine how Goa would be during the regular period without any COVID restrictions. So that is something which we all wanted to experience. So we would come back to Goa once all these COVID restrictions are over. All the pubs were jam-packed, and we were slightly concerned about this COVID because not all of them were wearing masks there. Tito's Lane. Baga Beach is well known for its commercial nightlife on Tito's Lane. Tito's Lane is the main street in Baga that leads to the beach, with several shops at the beginning of the street followed by bars and nightclubs. It's a happening place and a must visit place as well. Then we went to Aguada Fort by bike. It took around 25 to 30 minutes, and the parking fee is more than the entry fee to the fort.
So this is Agoda Fort. The bike charging is 50 rupees per bike, and the ticket charge to get in it is 25 rupees.
This is where the movie Dil Chahta Hai was shot. Panaji, also known as Panjim, which is the state capital of Goa in southwest India. It's located on the banks of the Mandovi River. You would find most of the casinos in Panaji. Plenty of cruise casinos also available in Panaji. This is the most important thing if you plan to go to casinos. Trousers and shorts are not allowed in casinos, as well as you have to carry your original ID card. So if you are planning to go to the beaches in the shorts, then if you are planning to go to casinos at evening, that doesn't work out. So you have to plan accordingly. Casinos charges are varying starting from 1,500 to 10,000, including the food. Feni is a traditional liquor distilled from the fermented juice of cashew apples. It is safe to drink as it is free from organic or artificial flavors. It's better renting a bike for sightseeing in Goa. It's around 400 rupees per day, including the helmet. You have to normally submit the valid license to the bike renter. Also, you won't find a lot of petrol pumps or gas stations nearby. So you would find many shops selling petrol in a bottle for 1 liter or 2 liter with probably 20 to 25 rupees additional cost than what you get it from the petrol pump. You know, we would have stopped by seeing this, right? It seems like there was a final match was going on and it was probably the last over. Anjuna Beach was once home to the hippies. They have now moved on, but their legacy remains. Wednesday's Anjuna Beach flea market is bigger than ever and continues to remain popular. When it comes to Kalangute Beach, I heard Baga Beach starts right where Kalangute ends, although it's hard to pinpoint exactly where. In Kalangute Beach also a wide range of water sports are on offer. If you feel like indulging yourself with some fine food and wine, there are many upmarket restaurants in the area too. But it was not crowded compared to Baga Beach because of COVID restrictions. The nightlife activities were going on only in Baga Beach compared to Anjuna and Kalangute because of COVID restrictions. Then we went to Grand Island for other water activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, paragliding, parasailing. It would take 45 minutes in the boat to reach the Grand Island. There are different packages like take only the tour in the Grand Island, or do you want to take only snorkeling or scuba diving. So you can choose your package. They were not at all professional. They don't follow any safety measures. They are asking people to move from one boat to another in the middle of the sea, Nobody knows when they bring you back. They wait for all of them to complete their activities. I like my scuba diving experience, but the way they deal all these are not something recommended. They asked us if we want to get into the water. We can. Everybody were wearing the life jackets. Early on, I was slightly scared, but once you jumped into the water, you were so comfortable and you don't want to come back. So they would call your name if your turn comes for scuba diving. Until then, you can be in the sea. One girl was kind of drowning. I had to help her. It was an awesome experience swimming in the sea because there were not enough waves. Also, you don't have to know swimming for doing the scuba diving. Those who have gone before me for scuba diving, they were telling they had severe ear pain. The scuba trainer explains wonders of scuba diving to you. If you have completed a particular course, you can scuba dive without the assistance of an instructor, and that too up to a depth of only 18 meters. That's what I heard. Instructor comes along with you while scuba diving, and you have to show thumbs up if you want to go up, in case if your ear is aching, and if you want to go further down, they asked us to show thumbs down. But most of them, I think they have shown ulta, they have shown the other way. Ear pain is the most common complaint from scuba divers and is experienced by almost every diver at some point of time. Some divers call it as ear squeeze. The pain occurs because of difference in pressure between the middle ear and the outside environment. Divers clear their ears by several methods. The most common is plugging the nose, closing the mouth and blowing.
इसको नीचे ही रखना, नीचे ही रखना। वो दो ऐसे देख लड़के देख उसको देख। किसने?
Times when I was asked by the instructor whether you want to go down, I told yes. I put my thumbs down, so I went 2 times further down. I was strictly following that method which he told us, how to clear the ears, plugging the nose, closing the mouth and blowing. I did it twice. So for me it was a cool experience. Moreover, those who went before me, they explained they didn't do that. So I wanted to make sure I will do that when I go under the water. So that will be me. Most of them in the boat after scuba diving slept because they were literally tired and still they had severe ear pain. You get varieties of seafood during your lunch.